Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Ford Ranger window switch. First, gather your tools, a flathead screwdriver and a plastic trim removal tool. It's crucial to turn off your vehicle's ignition to ensure safety and prevent any electrical issues. Remember, the switch panel is primarily held in place by clips, so you won't be dealing with screws initially. This preparation ensures a smooth and damage-free removal process. Now, let's start prying. Carefully insert your plastic trim removal tool into the edge of the window switch panel. You'll want to apply gentle, consistent pressure to pry upwards. This action will release the retaining clips that hold the panel in place. Take your time and work slowly around the entire perimeter of the panel to ensure all clips are disengaged without causing any damage to the surrounding trim. With the trim panel now loose, gently lift it just enough to gain access to the wiring harness underneath. You'll see the electrical connector plugged directly into the back of the window switch assembly. To disconnect it, locate the small release tab on the connector itself. Press this tab firmly and then pull the connector straight out. Avoid yanking on the wires. A gentle, direct pull is best. Finally, to remove the switch itself from the trim panel, you'll notice it's secured by a few small plastic tabs. Gently depress these tabs, usually 2 or 4, from the back of the panel. This will allow you to push the switch module out from its housing. When you're ready to reinstall, simply reverse these steps, making sure all clips and the electrical connector snap securely into place for proper function.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.